So far we have discussed about solar arrays, solar modules and as well as solar arrays. But as a system, how it will be looking like so that we can directly connect that to the load so that it will take some power or it will use the solar energy. So for that particular purpose, it is not just sufficient to have solar arrays. Along with the solar arrays or panels, we should have some other components so that the entire system will be operating properly in a power balancing condition. So we have discussed many times that there is the advantage of photovoltaic systems or solar energy panels, that is they are intermittent in nature. Their power output is not constant because the temperature as well as irradiance of the sun falling or sunlight falling on the panels is continuously varying with respect to time, otherwise with respect to seasons. So we cannot completely or solely depend on the photovoltaic systems or sort of solar photovoltaic panels. So along with these we need some energy storage devices such as battery. So that is one component. Also, it is a well-known fact that PV source as well as batteries are going to be providing you the DC power. But our general conventional load is in residential systems is AC. So what to do? For compatibility, we should convert the DC generating power into the AC power. For that purpose, we need inverter in between. So by combining all these components, it becomes photovoltaic system, which is given here. So that can be observed from here. So along with the solar panels, what we have a battery, and for controlling the charging power up to the battery, we should have a charge controller, and from these we should have an inverter which can be taking power to the AC load. So all these components are combinedly known as photovoltaic system, right? So this is about photovoltaic system, and now we will see the different applications of them. So we have several applications, right? So we can use the photovoltaic systems in telecommunication because it needs a little bit of power which can be taken with the solar panels, and we can use the solar energy in power pack which is present in army tents because they are at the borders, they may not have grid connection, and we can use the solar power there. And what else, we can use them as domestic lighting system, and we can have PV integrated buildings and PV pumps, railway signaling. We can use solar panels installed there for giving the signal lights, and we can have battery charging station which can be utilizing the photovoltaic cells, and we can have solar lanterns for lighting, and we can even have PV refrigerators as well as offshore oil drilling purpose, right? So these are all different applications. Further, we can have solar applications in solar shuttle space, solar dryers, and even we can use hot air for different applications like drying, cooking, room heating, and even we can use the hot air directly for power generation, the indirect way of generating power with the solar cells, right? So further, if you see, for illuminating streets or parks, we can use solar panels, and even it is a cost effective as well as practical solution for camping areas which can be used for maintaining battery charge or converting to alternating energy for diverse domestic purposes. And even in marine and mobile applications, we can use solar cells, and they are compact as well as lightweight. And even in electric audible or burning high voltage traps, we can use them. And the photovoltaic energy also provides a very cost effective, clean and silent autonomy for this kind of applications. As I said, PV refrigerators can be designed especially for low consumption right? And all these things are already told, and even their advantages are given here. They also need low maintenance, they have good reliability and moderate operational cost, right? These all the different applications. You can go through these, right? That's it. These are all the solar photovoltaic systems and their applications. Thank you.